Hey, it's Sammy. On Wednesday, May 28th, we took 9 trades in Dow Futures today for 293 points, and we were able to grab some of that big drop that happened right after FOMC. Let's take a look and see how the day played out. This is our first trade this morning. We've got pretty good sentiment, multiple time frames of momentum. You can see the market is consolidated. We have not moved basically at all. We're at yesterday's close, volume point of control. We're just going to go for it here and take a long and see if we can make our way up through the value area high. What we find when we trade with thin liquidity and trading pre-market is that we want to protect these trades. We got a trailing stop of plus 17 points we lock in. Now all that data flipped over. We came back through volume point of control. We got our short time frame data kicking in. We're still pre-market, which means we're probably going to have a little bit of a challenge here. This is why we protect our trades, because we understand how data works. We can protect our trades and not take losses. You can see we're going to have a break-even trade here. We'll look for the next opportunity. This is the market open. Look over to the left. That gigantic bar that shot up went right from VPOC to value area high. We did not have time to get in. The data is holding. We're going to jump in now. As we struggle at value area high, we're going to lock in 30 points. Okay, now we have what we call excess momentum. Look at that 5 and 15 minute values are extremely high. We're punching through the overnight high. We're punching through the second deviation band here. Let's see where we go. Now this thing wicked my take profit, but failed to close it. So we're going to manually lock it with 29 points. Now look over to the left, that's the run up after the open. All of that data has decayed. Our short time frame data has flipped. So we're basically taking a high of day reversal trade right now, our signature soda process. Now we're gonna go ahead and lock in. You see we're hitting VWAP, VPOC, and today's open price right here. We're gonna lock in 30 points on open price. All right, now we've taken out that open price. Our data has fully decayed on the high time frames, and our short time frames have very, very strong short data. So we're in this short right here. Let's see where we end up. So this red line is our deviation 1 low. So that's the level between VWAP and deviation. And we're gonna lock in here. There's also a GAN level for plus 42 points. I totally forgot to smash the record button, but I did get a picture of this. This is the trade that actually pulled through deviation 1, pulled through the value area low, and is locking in going down to the GAN. We actually are exiting on 15-minute support for 45 points. You can see where I have this thing that says checkpoint right here. We've got short time frame data. We're coming into FOMC here in a few minutes. I was just seeing if we could blaze through. This is weekly VWAP right here. So very, very important value area. Whenever we struggle with value areas and areas of interest, we go ahead and do a trailing stop just to protect the trade as much as we can. Essentially, this is a break-even trade, but the break-even trade at plus 10 points, not bad, right? Now you can see we've got that real extreme data here, multiple volatility breaks, everything's lining up, and we're punching through the checkpoint. This is awesome right here. We're heading down to pivot. Okay, so the hour chart is really telling us we're going down to pivot. Watch these numbers, they just go crazy here. We actually end up with our 90-point take profit.